everyone, this is Rina. In this video, I will teach you a simple and step-by-step way to solve arithmetic series. I will explain how to identify the series, apply the correct formula, and get the final answer easily. Let's get started. And today, I'm going to explain the step-by-step example of arithmetic series. So let's begin. So the formula that we use is here. And here's the example problem. So find the sum of the first 10 terms of this series. So dito, let's identify the values. So sa first term natin is ilalagay natin 1. The last term is 10. And then terms of n natin, yung hinahanap natin is 10 din. So, next, let's go to the formula. So, here's the formula that we used to follow. And lahat ng n dyan, i-change natin as 10. Ayan. I-change natin yan na 10. And dito din sa taas, magiging 10 na yan. And yung A1 is that is 1. At itong AN, magiging 10 na siya since that is the last number. So, we're going to solve that. Let's go. So, let's solve it. So, S of 10 is equals to 5 times 11. So, paano naging 5 times 11 yan? So, itong 10, i-divide natin siya. So, 10 divided by 2, it is equal to 5. And 1 plus 10 is equals to 11. So, ita-times natin itong dalawa. 5 times 11 is equals to 55. So, that's it. So, the final answer here is 55. That's the simple explanation how to use arithmetic sequence. That's all. Thank you.